What's up guys? Welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk, and today I have a bit of a different unboxing for us today. Today I am going to compare Apple Refurb and Amazon Renewed. So let's get into it. I'm a big fan of refurb products, and I've featured refurb products on the channel before, so I just wanted to sort of get a couple of I wanted to get the same product from a couple of different places refurbed, just to sort of show the differences and sort of show maybe that you can get good quality devices at a cheaper price. So let's get into it. What I have here is I have a iPhone XS from Apple Refurb itself. So let's open this up. Oh, correction. I have an iPhone X from Apple Refurb. Why did I think it was a XS? I think I've done a whoopsie. But anyway, so we have iPhone X, as you can see, typical Apple Refurb, plain white box, Apple certified, so I'll throw that away. And then what we have in here is a XS from Amazon Renewed. So off the bat, if we open this up, we have, okay, there's the phone and a bit of bubble wrap. And then in the box we have a charging brick, which, oh, it is an Apple one. Oh, that's good. It's a official Apple charging brick, albeit 5 watt. And we have a USB to a lightning cable, which looks to be genuine. And we have a SIM ejector tool. And a bit of paperwork. Welcome to the circle. And just a bit of paperwork. So that's the Amazon packaging. So the charging brick is still got the sealing around it. So I suppose that's a good sign. It doesn't look like it's been used, which is a good thing. And let's get a look at the condition of this. Yes. Well, albeit apart from a couple of little marks on it that I think will just pretty much wipe off, this phone looks to be in pretty good condition. There's no scrapes or dings or dents in the framework whatsoever. So that's a space grey. The screen is mint. Yeah, there's not a mark on that screen whatsoever, which is pretty good. I'm not sure how well that'll show up on camera, but there is some little. It just looks like dirt, to be honest. It just needs a clean. Yeah, that looks to be pretty good. Apple Refurb then. Apple Refurb, what is there to say that hasn't been said before? Apple Refurb stuff is basically new, a new phone. So phones that would get returned to Apple, or if they would get sent back and replaced under warranty, those phones then get shipped away. They more or less get rebuilt, and then they're moved on. So they get rebuilt with new parts, and then they are moved on as refurb phones. I can't believe I genuinely thought I ordered two XS's. And this one's a 10 from Apple, and the one from Amazon is a XS. I don't know how I've made that mistake, but anyway. So let's get this unboxed. So similar to unboxing a new iPhone, it's yeah, brand spanking new box. Yep. have our paperwork. Hello. Oh, we have stickers. And we have what looks to be a brand new sealed device, a brand new power brick, a brand new set of AirPods with the adapter. Ah, look at that. That's pretty cool. They're pretty rare now. And we have a brand new lightning cable. Like I say, it is a brand new unboxing experience, more or less. It's just in a plain white box. Those are all brand new accessories as well. So, and here we go. Look at that. Oh, it's stuck to me. There we go. Brand spanking. Now, I know that this one is an iPhone 10 and I know this one is an iPhone XS. Let's be honest, these are practically the same phone. There's not much of a difference in them in terms of specs, in terms of what they have. They're both dual camera phones, etc, etc. I think it's a fair enough comparison, to be honest. Although I do feel a bit stupid now, to be honest. But anyway, so that's the unboxing experience. So these are both unlocked phones. They are both 256 gig and they're both space grey. So what I will do is I will grab a couple of SIM cards. I'll grab a couple of SIM cards. Big thank you to my good friend Jono in O2 in Antrim. Thank you very much, my man. I'm sorry I'm sniffing. I've got really bad hay fever and I'm a bit miserable. Feeling a bit sorry for myself at the moment. So the Amazon phone has battery, it's just switched on, not a problem. The Apple one won't switch on, which is making me wonder, is it dead? So the phone from Apple is completely dead, so I have just quickly stuck it on the charge to get a bit of juice into it. So in the meantime, I will get this Amazon phone set up. Finally got a bit of juice into the Apple phone and we are up and running. In terms of condition, the phone from Amazon is in very, very good condition, albeit a couple of little gubby marks on the back, nothing that won't clean off, so that's fine. Obviously the one from Apple, it's like a brand new phone. So what I did find interesting was, obviously the battery was dead in the one from Apple, and I plugged it into the charger just to get a bit of juice into it, and when I have it up and running here, I have checked in the settings and the iOS version on this phone is 13.5.1. Interesting. I think it shows just how long this phone has been sitting in Apple stock. So yeah, 13.5.1. That's quite a while ago, but as you can see in the settings there as well, the warranty is there to July 2022. So there's a full year's warranty with Apple with this phone. If we go into the Amazon phone, obviously because it's reused phone, it says coverage expired, so there's no actual warranty with Apple with this phone, but there is a year's warranty with Amazon with this phone, so at least you're covered that way. Also, the software version that was on this phone out of the box was 14.4.2. So, but then again, this one is a 10S and this one's a 10, so I would expect this software version to be newer than what's on the 10, but then again, the 10, it shows you how long this 10's been sitting in Apple stock. So, there's going to be a big update required for this phone. Another interesting thing that I did find when I went into, because I don't know if any of you guys ever experienced selling a phone second hand. If you do, let me know down in the comments down below. What's the most common question you get asked from people when you're selling a phone? For me, the most common thing I get asked is, what's the battery health? So, people obviously want to make sure that the phone's been looked after and the battery's been looked after. So when I go into the battery health on the Amazon phone, the maximum capacity of the battery health is 83%. Which sort of shows that this phone has had quite a bit of use through its life. When the phone is fully charged, its maximum health is 83%. That could maybe be a bit off-putting for some people. Whereas if I go into the Apple phone, as expected, maximum capacity, 100%. It's a brand new fresh battery in this phone. That could be maybe reassuring for you. If you're looking for a refurb phone and you're worried about the battery, at least you know with an Apple refurb phone you're going to get a brand new battery. So I suppose that's something. Again, just to surmise then, the Apple phone is a iPhone 10. The Amazon phone is a 10s. Literally the only difference is, I'm just looking it up here on Apple's website, they literally, both phones, they're both a 5.8 inch display. They both have 4G. They both have the same wide and telephoto lens in the back. Both have 2x optical zoom. The iPhone 10 has the A11 Bionic chip. The iPhone 10s has the A12 Bionic chip. Battery, 13 hours of video playback on the 10, 14 hours on the 10s. Both have Face ID. Both have glass front and back. Both have wireless charging. They're both water resistant. They're pretty much the same phone, to be honest. There's not a massive amount of difference in them at all. The screen resolutions are all the same. The nit, the brightness, the nits, 625 nits, peak brightness, practically the same phone. One's got a slightly faster processor. That's pretty much it. It is what it is. I mean, this was a 10. This is an S. It's a slight upgrade from the year before, but they're practically the same. So, put it this way: if you had an iPhone 10 and then you switched to a 10s, you weren't really getting much of an upgrade. It was practically the same phone. Let's get on to the big question. How much did these cost, and which do I think is the better value for money? Well, let me give you the variables. Phone from Apple was $679. That's from Apple Refurbished themselves. I ordered it yesterday. It arrived today. What more do you expect? It's service from Apple. That's just how good it is. Now, I will be honest, for the purpose of this video and ordering these phones, I did look at the phones, and again, I did mistake the phone for a 10s, and I didn't actually realise until I unboxed it that it was an iPhone 10. That's my own stupid fault. $679 for an iPhone 10. Personally, I think it's a bit steep, even from Apple. Now, granted, you are getting a full year's warranty from Apple on this phone. At least you'll have in the back of your mind, peace of mind from Apple that everything in this phone is brand new. Everything will have been replaced, and it has been shipped out as a new phone in a plain box. So again, I mean, it's a decent enough phone, but I still think for what it is, it's still a bit pricey in my opinion. 256 gig model. And then the Amazon phone. So the Amazon phone, I ordered it yesterday. It arrived today. Amazon Prime. Great job. This is obviously from a private seller on Amazon. Now, please bear in mind, every seller on Amazon that sells these phones is different. So, I mean, the seller that I bought this phone from may not be the seller that you would buy a phone from. So just bear that in mind. Every seller may be different. Other phones may come with a few more marks and things like that there on them because they are refurbished. To be truthfully honest, I think I was extremely lucky with this phone because other than a bit of grubbiness on it that'll just clean off, it's in really, really good condition. So there's no scrapes, no marks on it. Unfortunately, because it is a second-hand phone, this is a phone that somebody has used, and this is a phone that has been either traded in or sold on, and now it's been wiped and sold on to somebody else. So nothing inside this phone has been replaced. As you can see, the battery health, 83% on this particular phone. So, you're not getting the full capacity of a battery. Again, you're not getting any coverage from Apple, but you will get a year's warranty with Amazon Renewed, which is still good. So you'll still get that year's warranty and that peace of mind. It's up to yourself what you think is the best thing. But this phone, 256 gig 10s, which is the newer than the Apple phone, this was $329. That's good value for a iPhone with Face ID, with dual cameras. That's pretty good value, to be honest. Again, it's a newer phone, so technically on paper it'll be that wee bit quicker and that sort of thing. So it's maybe something to consider. This is like half the price of the one from Apple. Is it worth it? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Personally, for me, I think the Amazon phone is the better value for money. But again, the perfectionist in me would want to know that everything in the phone is brand new. So I'm sort of stuck between a crossroads. I want to pay this money, but I want to have this. That pretty much wraps us up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I just thought I would do something a bit different. You know, as I'm sure you guys know, I do love good refurbed stuff, and I just wanted to do a showcase. You know, sort of remove some of those stigmas that come with refurb devices. You know, some people sort of look at refurb devices and go, no, absolutely not. And I sort of want to remove that and sort of show that you can get a good quality device for a cheap price. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, smash that like button, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.